Hello, beautiful friends. Welcome to Cassia Naturals. If you're new on my channel, you're so welcome. And thank you so much for clicking on this video. In today's video, I'm showing you how to make a powerful hairspray for massive hair growth, which you cannot rinse. So we are using neem powder, as you can see there. And we're also going to use moringa. So neem is 30 grams and moringa is 20 grams. And we're going to use our hot water and some glass bowls, spray bottle and a strainer. Make sure that you get a fine strainer. So we are getting a clean bowl and we are pouring in our neem powder. It looks also so beautiful. That green is also so perfect. Yes, and we are adding in our moringa powder. So neem, also called wonder leaf, has many uses in Ayurvedic. So neem is antiseptic, antibacterial, anti-inflammation, analgesic, and fungal. All these properties help in healing many scalp issues. So moringa restores hair strength, boosts keratin production, stimulates hair growth, and repair damage. So now at this point, we're just mixing our powders so that they can be well combined. Once you are done, make sure that you pour in your hot water. You can use distilled or boiled water, whatever your preference, whatever is available to you. So in this case, this is a DIY, so we use tap water. And you have to make sure that you stir it so that it is well combined, well infused. Yes, you don't have to skip this step. And to my 93 subscribers, thank you so much, dear friends, for your love and your support. I really appreciate you guys. And to my viewers, I really appreciate you too. So if you are new on my channel, click on that red subscribe button and subscribe today. So on this channel, we upload videos every day. Make sure that you check out for videos every day. So now at this point, we are going to cover our spray and leave it on for at least 20 to 30 minutes for it to infuse so well. And then once you are done, it's ready. So at this point, it's ready. We have been infusing it for 30 minutes. And make sure that give it a stir once more. Now we are getting our clean jar. You can use whatever gadgets that you have, but make sure that you go in with a fine strainer so that you don't have like residues in your final product. As you can see, those chunks can be caught up in your hair, and it can be a marathon like to remove them. So that's the reason why you have to use a fine strainer. You can even improvise. You can even use a stocking. You can use whatever material you think can strain. And you can also use muslin cloth. You can also, quite a number of options, Yes. So at this point, we're shaking it a bit so that it can come out. So that is the residue we don't want to be caught up in our hair. So at this point, our spray is ready. So you can customize it, in whatever way you want. It looks so perfect. So we're just transferring our powerful spray into a glass bowl so that it can cool faster. And then we are adding in our tea tree essential oil. That is 1% of our tea tree oil. So tea tree has numerical antimicrobial and antiseptic properties, and it heals the scalp, treat the scalp by removing buildup caused by dead skin cells, oil, and hair products. It increases oxygen supply and blood circulation to the scalp, hence promoting hair growth. So make sure that you stir it so that your essential oil is combined in your product. You can use whatever essential oil you have. You can use rosemary, peppermint, bergamot, sandalwood, a lot of them. So many options. Yes, so once we are done now, you have to make sure that you preserve your product. If you don't have a preservative, then you can put it in the fridge. I think it can last for 1 week, but if you preserve it, like, it will last for months and months. So now, like, I'll use a preservative, of course. So now we have gotten a spray bottle and our funnel. We're just spraying our spray into our spray bottle. So, like, the reason why you'd want to preserve your product is to prevent any microbial, like, crawling in your product. That's not a good sight. Like, your product will become useless. So that is how our product looks like. It looks so perfect. Yes. So now we are just closing our spray bottle tightly in readiness to use our spray. So you can use this spray to moisturize your hair. When your hair is dry, you can just spray it regularly in your hair. So at this point, like, we are going to spray it in our hair. Of course, like, my hair is braided. I had done simple flat twists. Yes, so now it's time to moisturize our hair. So, like, you can use it in the lock method, liquid or cream. You can use it in the LOC method. Yes, or if you just want to hydrate your hair, like, you can do so. This prevents breakage. This prevents your hair from falling out. It actually leads to hair growth. Yes, so thank you so much, dear friends. Are you going to make this hair mist? So we are super excited. Yes, God bless you for your support. Bye bye. See you in my next video.